This is another trick in Vedic mathematics. So in this trick we will try to multiply this number 203 with 111. So there are few steps for this multiplication. First step is write unit digit, that is 3 here. So I will be writing 3 here. Thereafter add 3 to 0, this number to this 0, that is 3 to 0, add means 3 plus 0. Then we will be writing here again 3. Next step is add 3 0 and 2, 3 0 and 2, all these three numbers will be adding. So that is 3 plus 0 plus 2, that is 5. So that number I will be writing here. And thereafter the next step is add 0 to 2, this number to this number. 0 plus 2 is again 2. So again I will be writing here 2, and then write the leftmost digit in this number, that is 2. So our final answer is 22533. For more updates in mathematics, you may go to my YouTube channel, which name is Notion of Mathematics.